Blend tool. Mastering the blend tool in Illustrator will completely change the way you create designs. And I'm about to show you how. My name is Humaira Laique. You must have heard the name HLGRAPHICS. Yes. This is my channel. And many of his videos keep watching. Unlock the full potential of Adobe Illustrator with our comprehensive guide on mastering the blend tool. In this video, we dive deep into the benefits of using the blend tool, showcasing how it can elevate your design projects to the next level. Here you have seen the font name written. I have taken very fine font, which has a line equal to 1 stroke, so that we can use the blending option easily. Here I have taken 2 small circles using gradient colors, and I have moved one circle slightly compared to the other. Hold both the circles and go to Object. Then there will be an option, click on Blend. Next it says Make, select it. Again go to Object and click on Blend. Now click on Blending option. A box will open in front of you where you can choose the specified steps. Start increasing it, and when you are satisfied, then click OK. A great gradient line will be created in front of you. Go back to Blend and click on the reverse option here. Duplicate a few copies of the gradient line we will use. Now we're going to use the eraser tool to erase the blend text we've taken, so that we get a clean and smooth line that we can apply our gradient to. Now our real work begins. Now grab a line of gradient and a line of text, and again we'll go to the blending option where we'll click on the replace spine. As soon as we click it, the gradient line will go over our text. We'll repeat the same process with as many lines as we have so our text will have a nice gradient look. You'll discover tips and techniques that will help you create stunning gradients, intricate patterns, and seamless transitions. Join us as we explore the basics of the blend tool and how to access it, step-by-step instructions to create smooth blends between shapes and colors, creative applications for the blend tool in your designs, tips for troubleshooting common issues, real-world examples of designs enhanced by the blend tool. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the skills to incorporate the blend tool into your design workflow, making your projects more dynamic and visually appealing. Don't miss out on the chance to enhance your Illustrator skills and impress your clients or audience with amazing designs. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let's get blending.